Graphic installation and display setup of the Sonic Deluxe A-Frame is both quick and easy. Begin by removing the display from the box and placing it on a clean, flat surface. Separate the sides of the hinged A-frame until the unit stands on its own. Slide your first graphic into the recessed area of the A-frame and under the two tabs located on the vertical edges. Lift your graphic upwards until it fully passes into the open slot behind the top recessed edge of the display, and the bottom edge of the graphic can easily enter into the lower beveled slot. Once the first graphic has been installed, rotate the A-frame and repeat the previous steps to install your second graphic. Once set, your Sonic Deluxe A-Frame is complete and ready for use. The display can be used for both indoor and outdoor applications.